Hello everyone, welcome to another project video. It makes me very happy that you're back here, ready to create. In today's project, we're going to explore space and dimension. I'm going to show you how to use perspective to create the illusion of depth. We're gonna pretend we can go out and walk into an immersive aquarium by using the magic of one-point perspective. One-point perspective is a drawing technique that contains only one vanishing point on the horizon line. This type of perspective is typically used for images of roads, railway tracks, hallways, or buildings viewed so that the front is directly facing the viewer, like the pictures that you're looking at. I promise you it's way easier than it looks. Gather up some white paper, pencil and eraser, a black marker and a ruler, and something to color. Are you ready? Let's make! To begin, let's fold our paper in half in both the horizontal and vertical way. This will help us find our center. Place a dot where the lines cross, and then use a ruler or whatever you have to help you make a straight line to make a diagonal line that goes from the dot to each of the four corners of the paper. I personally don't like when my lines go exactly to the corner, so what I do is I like to measure one finger away from the corner of the paper and then I do my lines pointing there. This step is only optional. You can make your lines going to the corner if that's easier for you. For the floor part of our drawing, we are going to draw horizontal lines inside of the bottom triangle. I use my ruler to space them out evenly. You can also do the same or find something else to help you space your horizontal lines evenly. Next, I'm going to add the diagonal lines that will make for the checkered pattern on the floor. I'm going to start with the most center line, the line in the middle, since you can probably see it from the folded line on the beginning. Then all of these lines, make sure that they come out from the dot. That dot is our one and only point that we call one-point perspective. This is why it's called this way. We only use one point and all of our lines should come out of this point. It's going to give us the effect as we're walking inside of a space. After doing the line in the middle, I did two more diagonal lines coming out from the dot, two to the left side and then two on the right side to make it even. And now we're gonna add the lines that will make up for the walls of our aquarium. The vertical lines for the walls of our aquarium need to be parallel to the edge of the paper, so try to make sure that these lines are as straight as you can. I also use my ruler to make sure they are spaced out evenly. I'm doing this on the left and on the right, making sure they are kind of on the same distance from each other. Then we're going to start connecting the wall lines with an arch or a curved line that goes from side to side of these vertical lines from the walls. Some lines are not gonna have enough space to get completed, but if you pretend like they do, it will make your drawing look more real. Remember to take pauses, to take it slow. Pause the video whenever you see that it's going too fast so that you can observe the types of lines I'm talking about so everything makes more sense. Take it slow, draw very light so that you're able to erase mistakes and just have fun. Enjoy the process. After this, all of the fun parts start coming up together. We're going to grab a Sharpie or a black marker, and we're going to trace all of the lines that we made, and we're going to fill in the pattern of the floor with the checkers pattern. It's one yes, one no, one yes, one no. I color one, I skip one, and you know it, we've done it before. When everything is traced out, then get your pencil and all of your artistic talents, because now we're gonna draw our sea animals. Make sure to add animals and creatures on all sides of your aquarium, on the top, on the bottom, on the sides. This will add a fascinating factor of walking underwater. I'm also adding algae just to have a little bit more of a under the ocean element. The more detail you add, the better it will look, so go crazy here. Then color them all up, including the water. For this part, I opted for using watercolors for the water to make it look more like real water, but this is optional. You can also use any other type of colors you have. And that is it, my friends. You have now forever access to an immersive aquarium to hang up in your walls. So impressive. Once again, I thank you for allowing me in your time and space, and I thank you for creating with me. I'll see you next week with the new project video. Bye!